Hey there, my name is Deirdre. Welcome back to another video. Today we're taking a deep dive into the world of J-pop and K-pop, two popular music genres that have captured the hearts of millions worldwide. But despite their global appeal, there are some key differences that set them apart. So let's explore these differences and gain a deeper appreciation for each genre and its unique contributions to the music scene. Before we begin, if you're new here and you love anything related to music, then make sure to give us a follow so you never miss out on any of our upcoming videos. So without further ado, let's get started. Now first things first, Japan's music industry is one of the biggest in the world. When people think of Japanese pop music, they may automatically assume that it's all about catchy tunes and cute idols. However, that couldn't be further from the truth. J-pop, or Japanese popular music, is a diverse genre that encompasses a wide range of styles from upbeat dance tracks to soulful ballads. One thing that sets J-pop apart is its rich history. It has evolved over the years, influenced by Western music, traditional Japanese instruments, and local trends. Some of the early pioneers of J-pop include singer-songwriters like Tatsuro Yamashita Kodomatsu, who blended Western pop with traditional Japanese sounds. In the late 1980s and early 1990s, J-pop exploded onto the scene with iconic groups like Jpop and Mr. Children, pushing the boundaries of rock and roll in Japan. Over the years, J-pop has continued to evolve, incorporating new sounds and styles. Today's J-pop scene is home to a wide variety of artists, including idol groups like AKB48 and Momoro Clover, solo singers like Nami Amuro and Utada Hikaru, and bands like One OK Rock and Radwimps. When it comes to production, J-pop generally focuses on the overall package. This means that producers pay attention to every detail, from the music video and album artwork to the stage design and choreography. The end result is a polished, well-crafted product that reflects the artist's unique personality and style. For example, the legendary group SMAP worked closely with their producers to create music videos that were not only visually stunning, but also told a story. Similarly, the idol group AKB48 is known for their elaborate stage productions, which feature complex lighting, props, and costumes. In terms of performance, J-pop idols are generally highly skilled dancers and singers. They undergo rigorous training before debuting and are expected to maintain a high level of professionalism at all times. Whether they're performing on stage or in music videos, J-pop idols are known for their precision and attention to detail. For example, the group Arashi is renowned for their incredible live performances, which features synchronized dance moves and powerful vocals. Now, let's talk about the lyrics of J-pop songs. These songs often feature themes that are relatable to young people, such as love, friendship, and coming of age. Some J-pop songs also touch on more serious topics, such as mental health and social issues. The lyrics are typically written in Japanese, although some songs incorporate English phrases or full verses. Overall, the lyrics in J-pop are an integral part of the music, enhancing the emotional impact of the songs and creating a sense of connection between the artist and their fans. The influence of anime and manga on J-pop is undeniable. Many J-pop artists have released theme songs for popular anime series, contributing to the growth and popularity of the genre. Additionally, the close relationship between J-pop and anime has led to collaborations between artists and voice actors, resulting in unique and unforgettable musical experiences. Overall, J-pop is a dynamic and ever-evolving genre that has captured the hearts of millions worldwide. From its diverse range of styles to its highly skilled performers and relatable lyrics, J-pop offers something for everyone. K-pop, or Korean popular music, has taken the world by storm with its infectious beats and captivating performances. Originating in South Korea, this genre has gained immense popularity worldwide, breaking language barriers and cultural differences. K-pop is a blend of various music genres, including pop, hip-hop, rock, and electronic music, creating a unique and energetic sound that appeals to a broad audience. One of the standout features of K-pop is its highly polished and theatrical music videos. K-pop music videos are known for their cinematic quality, showcasing elaborate sets, stunning visuals, and synchronized choreography. They often tell a story or create a world of their own, immersing viewers in the artist's creative vision. The attention to detail and high production values are evident in every frame, making K-pop music videos a visual feast. The K-pop industry is highly competitive, and success often comes down to the it factor known as visuals. The result is a highly polished and energetic performance that leaves audiences in. K-pop idols are known for their flawless execution, powerful vocals, and synchronized dance moves. K-pop lyrics often explore themes of love, heartbreak, societal pressures, and personal growth. The songs are typically written in Korean, but many incorporate English phrases or full verses to connect with international fans. K-pop lyrics are known for their catchy hooks, relatable themes, and emotional depth, resonating with listeners from all walks of life. The impact of K-pop on fashion is undeniable. K-pop artists are known for their bold and innovative fashion choices, setting trends and influencing fashion-forward individuals worldwide. Their music videos and performances become a platform for expressing personal style and experimenting with new looks. K-pop fashion is a fusion of various styles, often incorporating elements of streetwear, high fashion, and Korean traditional wear. K-pop has a massive global following, and a significant portion of their fan base is international. The genre has broken language barriers and cultural differences, uniting fans from all over the world. K-pop artists actively engage with their international fans through social media, fan meets, and global tours, creating a strong sense of community and loyalty. In conclusion, K-pop has evolved into a global phenomenon, captivating audiences worldwide with its infectious beats, captivating performances, and relatable lyrics. Its influence extends beyond music, impacting fashion, culture, and entertainment on a global scale. As K-pop continues to evolve and innovate, it will undoubtedly continue to break barriers and captivate fans worldwide. We hope you enjoyed this comparison of J-pop and K-pop. We had a blast putting it together for you, and we can't wait to hear what you think. Which genre do you prefer? Do you have a favorite artist or song from either genre? Be sure to drop your thoughts in the comments section below. And hey, if you want to keep the party going, we've got plenty more videos to keep you grooving. Click the link on your screen now to keep exploring the world of music with us. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all our latest videos. Thanks for joining us today. We'll catch you next time.